Let's check it out. What are different inspiring things on the topic India-Indonesia relations? Must watch till the end, and also do share your valuable point of view in the comments. Here we go.
Recently, on the 76th Republic Day of India, India has invited Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto as a chief guest. In 1950, the President Sukarno, who was firstly invited to India as the first chief guest on the Republic Day. Good evening, everyone. Today's lecture topic is India-Indonesia relations. Indonesia lies in the southeast region. It consists of 17,000 islands. It is the world's largest archipelago. It is 14th in terms of population and area. It is a very important country as the Strait of Malacca lies there. It consists of several big islands of the world such as Java, Borneo, Sumatra. Recently, it has shifted its capital from Jakarta to Nusantara because of the climatic conditions. Now talking about the India-Indonesia relations. First, starting with the cultural relations, both the nations share a very good cultural bond. As there is a spread of Hinduism, Buddhism in Indonesia. Indonesia celebrates festivals such as Diwali. Even there is a display of characters of Mahabharata and Ramayana. Even the airlines of Indonesia has been named as Garuda Airlines. Now there is in 2005 a strategic partnership memorandum has been signed between the two countries. Similarly, in 2018, the Strategic Partnership Forum is converted into a Comprehensive Partnership Forum. President Sukarno was one of the founding members of Non-Aligned Movement by attending 1955 Bangalore Conference and finally formation of Non-Aligned Movement in 1961. Now talking about the defense ties between the two countries, both the countries perform exercises such as Samudra Shakti and Garuda Shakti. Garuda Shakti took place between the special forces of Indian Army. Both the countries has traded well and there is a trade of $4 billion. However, India remains as a trade deficit with Indonesia because of high import of palm oil. India has also developed a Sabang port in Sabang area of the Indonesia so that Indian ships can use the port facilities there. There has been very good ties between both the countries. However, there are some challenges that has been faced by both the countries. Now, first is the influence of China. As before coming to India, the Prabowo Subianto, the president of Indonesia, has already visited to China and there has been a huge influence of China. Secondly, there is a trade deficit with Indonesia because of the huge import of palm oil, although India is working for reducing its imports. This is all about India-Indonesia relations. However, there is a